Go, go.
Our safety gear. Everyone, if you don't mind stepping away from the aprons, we're going to have some new guests join us.
Get an apron. Ooh.
Fine, I'll get orange.
I think that's it, right?
You got it?
have glasses.
Washable Crayola glue. Everybody gets 2 bottles of glue, but guess what? The cap is a little tricky. There's a top and a bottom part. We're going to open it from the very bottom. We got to squeeze it and open the glue so that we can see inside the bottle. And if you need help, just ask. We're going to help you open those bottles of glue, okay? So everybody open 2 bottles of glue. That's for you, and I'll open this one for you. There you go.
I did.
And now we're going to squeeze from the very bottom, okay? If you can help them. Here we go.
I don't need help. Opening it from the bottom.
Squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze
I'm
it.
trying. It's so
Squeeze
easy.
it, squeeze it. Come on, you gotta squeeze it.
Mom, is this barely enough?
You need the whole bottle.
After we add the ingredients, I want you to tell me how your mixture changes.
I got this.
Stir.
This is what I thought science was gonna be like in middle school.
Nice to touch.
Thank you. Do we just mix it?
Yeah, just mix it.
I made a bubble. Okay, whoa.
Scared, don't be scared. Thank you. We only had a slime explosion about 30 years ago, but not anytime soon. I'm just kidding. We have tested our experiment many times to know this is the perfect recipe, so nothing will go wrong.
Ooh, mine's turning out kind of blue. Ooh, it's like slime. Look, this is young activators. The activators activate. Oh no. Okay, I cannot mix it anymore.
Keep mixing it.
Oh my hand. It's now slime. I'm gonna break the stick. Oh. Me 2, me 3, me 4, me 5, me 6, me 7, me 8. Me 100. Me 1,000. Me 70. Spidey and his amazing friends. Don't make Google Fix. Folded, by the way.
Where is this highlight? You already did orange?
I'm just gonna do air.
Those darker color markers work really well to stand out a little bit more than the lighter colors. However, some of my favorite colors are electric lime and